Well, Santa Ana winds have been prevalent throughout the valley today, impacting outdoor activities and even travel. News Channel 3's Bianca Ventura takes a closer look at the weather's impact.
We're not sure if we're going to go to Palm Springs for sure now that it's so windy, so maybe head towards Palm Desert because of the wind.
Saturday's windy weather caused Paulina Crespo to second-guess her weekend plans.
It was my birthday yesterday, and it was my aunt's birthday a couple days ago, so we're celebrating for our birthday weekend.
Windy conditions throughout the western end of the valley, resulting in dust-covered roads, making it difficult for travel.
And it's terrible for us that live in Desert Hot Springs to get out. It takes us a lot longer than most, Well, definitely not Genotry because it's super windy, so possibly around. So I'm thinking Day Palm, maybe even Bob Hope a little.
Saturday morning's wind even causing some challenges at this weekend's Cathedral City Hot Air Balloon Festival. City officials sharing this statement online, saying, quote, "Unfortunately, Mother Nature is not cooperating with today's balloon festival activities. The pilots and FAA have made the decision to bring their balloons down early for their safety."
Especially now after the hurricane, I think the air quality is way worse than before, so absolutely yes. I try to stay home as much as possible if it's this windy.
Windy conditions deterring some weekend plans. In Palm Springs, Bianca Ventura, News Channel 3.